4.5 inch, max 80 ms, 18,800 RPMs, replaceable blades. Metal cutting wheels, replacements for your grinders. This is by Truswe, 52-piece 4.5 inch plus. Check online for further details about your product. We're going to open up, replace our wheel, and show you what it's all about. Check online for further details about the kits you are after and the sizes. This is the 50 plus 2 free blade kit. They all come wrapped. We're going to take a blade out, show you what it's all about, what it looks like. Nice and close-up look at the blade. And it will cut through metal just like your original blade. So we grab our grinder. We take our grinder out. And we need to replace the old worn out blade. Spin off our tip, take our blade off, and you can see what an old blade looks like compared to a new blade. Simply just place on, feel for the lock, and slide back on. Test the motor, test out the blade, and we're ready to go cut. Check online for further details about the kits you are after in the sizes of the 4.5 inch kits. I hope you enjoy your replacement blades if these are right for you. Cutting wheels, they're easy to change out. They fit nicely to the unit, and you could get them from a number of pieces, 25 pieces, 50 pieces, depending on what you are after. Truswe 50 plus 2, 52-piece cutting kit. Grinder not included.